Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to set up and use the voice chat feature in Globe mod for Geometry Dash. Basically, the platform limitations are the voice chat is only available for PC. It is not currently supported on Android devices. Now, to the installation and setup, how to install the mod using the GOD mod loader right over here, and the port of restarting the game. So basically, right over here, as you can see, it is not currently installed. To do that, just go ahead and click on featured right over here. I suppose you can go ahead and just also search globe right over here if you can go ahead and find it. Once done, go ahead and click on it and click on install. Now, as you can see, it's making me restart. Just go ahead and click on restart now. Just to ensure your microphone is working correctly before attempting to use it in game, do the verification on your device and see if it works. Now, the requirement to link your Discord account within the mod settings to enable voice features are the Discord integrations. Right over here, you need to link it. As you can see, it's currently linked. Now, adjusting the audio device in settings, configuring the loopback feature to test your own microphone level and volume. As you can see, this is the settings for that. Make sure it is checked. As you can see, all the settings are currently right over here now. So the usage and troubleshooting, explaining that the voice chat is a push-to-talk system using the V key by default. How to fix audio issues by checking keybinds in the settings menu. Basically, as you can see right over here, all settings are basically right over here. Very self-explanatory. But anyways, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.